Hey, Chris here. I'm here with my mom today. She didn't want to be on camera, so she'll be showing you what we're going to be talking about, though. We're here showing you the tips on how she got started in junk journaling, the process she used, and it's an easier way than a lot of ways that are out there on YouTube. So she wants to share this, and it's kind of cool what she uses to do this. So let me switch my camera. Okay, you're up, Mom.
Okay, so when I first started, I started with a small pamphlet with just a few pages in it. And then what I did was I covered everything from there and with just muted papers. And that's when I started putting all of the collage pictures in on the different pages. But it is easier if you start on a small one so you can get the feel of it.
And how many pages are in there about?
Oh,
Five?
no, there's probably about
Uh,
seven.
There's one. Okay,
About
so around
seven.
7 pages, and they'll be double-sided. And then she's got a sample here of the art journal she's made with that type of mini booklet.
Yeah. These don't have signatures in them, which I did way later, but these are easier to do. And then you can just go and put what pictures that you have. You can do certain,
This is a sticker, right? Looks like a
yeah,
sticker.
yeah, it's a sticker.
And she's fussy cut a bunch of the ephemera.
Right.
And this was made from, what's that called?
Die cut.
Yeah, the die cut with the cuddle bug. These cute little people stickers are
Tim Holtz.
Tim Holtz. I've seen them in Joann's and Hobby Lobby. They come in a package, quite a big, thick package of
Yeah.
like
Oh,
50, right?
no, there's more than that. There's over 100.
So those little, if you like the old fashioned vintage looking people, anywhere from men, women, babies. So you can use that in there.
Yeah. And you use your stamps to stamp on the background. Um,
This is scrapbook paper, right,
yeah.
Mom?
Yeah.
She went and got scrapbook paper. Uh, I mean, we like vintage, but you can use any type, get a theme if you want flowers or balloons or hearts or holidays. You could do Christmas or Easter. And then you start covering this pamphlet with your paper, like she was talking about.
Yeah.
And this, oh, never mind. These were that cute package in Roberts back in the day of all those flowers, huh?
I think
I had
so, yeah.
purchased those too.
Yeah.
Those were cute. More, that's another picture out of the
Tim Holtz.
Tim Holtz package.
Yeah.
And she just makes these for fun. So she's able to use Tim Holtz's product because she doesn't sell these junk journals. If you sell them, you're not supposed to use.
I'm not sure
Oh, okay.
because a lot of the junk journal that YouTubers do use
Sell 'em?
a lot of his products.
Oh, so maybe you can. I'm not sure. So you'll want to check with copyright laws and stuff when you get ready to make your junk journal. So there's that. And we're going to make another video and show another type of junk journal. See you soon.
I was trying to